Alright, today we're going to make a tire you can use for tire drags. So first step is go to any tire store and ask them to get the biggest, heaviest tire that they have. It's usually going to be an SUV tire. These are going to weigh about 30 to 35 pounds. Don't go getting one of those little Honda Civic ones that weighs 15. You want a tire that's going to be between 30 and 35 pounds, okay? Then you're going to go to Home Depot and you're going to get an eye bolt. You're going to get 2 washers, which look like this. Okay, you're going to need a nut for the eye bolt, and you are going to need drill bits. Starting off with the smallest I have is 1/8 of an inch. That's as small as you need to go. And then you want to go up a little bit bigger. I think this is a 3/8. And then you want to go up a little bit bigger. This over here is a 1/4 inch. And then finally, you will need a 1/2 inch drill bit. So these are all the tools that you're going to need. Plus, you're going to want to get yourself a harness, which I'll give you a link to Amazon to get a good one. I've tried using other things, but the money you spend, you might as well just get a harness. It's a lot more comfortable, and you're more likely to do tire drags if it's comfortable. So, step number 1 is you're going to start off with the smallest drill bit. Then you're going to get to the 1/2 inch drill bit, and this is going to be a little patience on that. It takes a little time to go through. You're going to keep moving it around till you get that drill bit to go all the way through the tire. You want to make it as big as possible because you're going to have to stick that eye bolt in there. Pause. Into the eye bolt. You're going to have to get that eye bolt to go in. Sometimes you just have to screw it in. There's no other way to make that work. So you're going to screw the eye bolt all the way through. Alright, so we got the eye bolt, we got the nut in the bottom, and we got the washer in between the tire and the nut. We're going to tighten that all the way until it doesn't spin anymore. It's nice and tight. Next, you get your harness. Get your harness on. Clip it in so it's comfortable. Then you're going to attach the harness to the tire. So I got this harness off Amazon, and it's awesome. I love it. So all you're going to do now is tire is attached, harness is on, harness is attached to you. You're going to love these tire drags.